Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, social distancing has become a new normal. Until this crisis ends, all social interactions need more protection. A sneeze guard will help to protect both employees and customers, reducing the chance for unnecessary contacts. We integrated our team and tech and designed Ship from Toronto Sneeze Guard. We provide two popular sizes to fit most of the needs. The small size, 24 inches by 32 inches, is better for in-office one-on-one meetings. The large size, 32 inches by 36 inches, could fit in most counter or reception areas. The large size can be hung in rows or stand on the countertop. Both versions have cut-out 14-inch by 5-inch opening sizes to pass things through. It's made of crystal clear acrylic, which can be easily maintained by any cleaning spray, also durable for daily sanitation. These sneeze guards are easy to install, no additional tools required. We choose a strong yet removable adhesive material for the stabilizers. They will stick firmly on different surfaces and can easily be relocated, leaving no marks or residues. The floor stickers are also using residue-free materials with non-slip surfaces to kindly remind your customers of social distancing. We stand behind our products and will offer a 7-day money-back guarantee. Ship from Toronto is more than happy to share the cutting design for all the manufacturers around the world because we are all in this together. Send us an email via info@shipfromtoronto.com for cutting design. Designed in Canada, made in Canada. Ship from Toronto.